Hello, my name is Hafizul Izwan bin Jafri, a first-year student from USM KP and PPD. And now I am going to present my final presentation board for the final project for the semester. In this coronavirus pandemic, or to be specific, the COVID-19 that has affected not only our country but the whole world, people have been looking for a safe haven to keep themselves safe. So I have designed an isolation cabin that can help the occupants to stay safe and at the same time in quarantine from the societies to prevent the spread of the virus. So Peti is the name given to the cabin. And so why is it named Peti? Peti is actually a Malay word for storage box or chest, and this indirectly tells the occupants that the cabin is a safe place to keep them from getting the virus and they can do their own things during the quarantine period. So this is the external view for the property. Alright, first of all, the site is located in Polytechnic Port Dickson in an open area between the JK departments and the academic building. So a site analysis has been conducted and synthesis has been made. The site actually has a walkway beside it, so to give the occupants privacy, a divider is proposed to divide the walkway and the building. As you can see here, the building with the divider and the walkway. Uh, Next, the site collects. Alright. So next, the site collects natural ventilation because it is actually a field with a slope, with the addition of the arrangement of the tree that gives the site a breeze with a speed up to 4 miles per hour. And to manipulate this advantage, a passive design is implemented to make sure the building is not going to heat too much. So the building has an opening to make sure that the wind can enter it, so it is cooler. So this is the site plan. The site is easily accessed because it is located beside the road. So the occupants can easily access the building from the road. Alright, so next I'm going to show you my floor plan. Okay, the floor plan has an area, the total area of 42 meters square, and it has an entrance, a living room, a decking connected with a skyline garden uh, with a fish pond. Alright, next, the bedroom, toilet, working area, pantry, and the laundry area. Right, so I have two planes to show the sections. So this is the sections. Okay, the building has the maximum height of 4,800 millimeter, and the section XX shows that the inside of the bedrooms, the living area, and the decking area. This is the roof structure, and in the bedroom side, there's a void because to give the room more air flow to the building. Right, so this is the details 1, details 2, and details 3 for the detail structure. Next, for the section YY shows that the inside of the living room, the workroom, and the pantry. And this is the structure of the construction of the roof. Okay, next is the elevation. There's a 4 elevation provided: the front elevation, right elevation, and left elevations. In the front elevation, as you can see, the activity shows a person giving food to fish in the fish pond. The second elevation, the right elevation, you can see a vertical garden attached to the facade of the design to give the building more green look. Right, so there's the right elevation and the left elevations. Okay, and this is my last board for my presentation board. So in this board I shows the perspectives and the axonometric. So okay, this is the exterior perspective. This is the inside interior that shows the living room, and this is the working area. The working area, this is actually a glass panel to divide the working area and the living area. Alright. Okay, so lastly, the axonometric. So I'm going to explain a few highlight things that with addition to the special details from the sections. So here in the flooring area, I used vinyl timber flooring as the floor material. And next, in the working area, I used the glass panel as the divider to give the divide space from the two area. Next, stone panel wall with a hydraulic pump to give the sense of nature. Okay, this is actually a man-made waterfall inside of the building. Right, next, in the bedroom area, in the bedroom, uh, the clay brick is used as a facade to create an industrial look plus and cooling materials for the room. Alright, so for the structure of the roof, mainly I used a prefab steel structure, the C beam connected together like this, uh, and to create the structure, right? And finally, there's a skylight roof to give the sunlight to mini garden inside of the underneath the skylight roof. Okay, that's it from me. Hafiz Izwan, thank you.